Got my coffee. And I'm using my frother. Here's the coffee. Here's the frother. Gonna shake it so the top will go in. Whoa! Whoa! Cheers! I think I need a bigger cup too. Needs a little more. Much better. Yeah! Okay, good morning guys. Got the girls doing their little morning chores and then we're gonna get ready for school and I gotta work today. Hence we need the coffee. Also, I forgot Vlogmas. I want to do Vlogmas, so I'm gonna throw something up real quick for December 1st. This will be December 2nd, but at least I'm only one day late. So today will be the second day of Vlogmas. And I got quite a few things to do, but I did want to show you, I moved my coffee area. This used to be over there, but I moved it over here. What do you guys think? Does it look good? And then I moved the microwave to the corner. And then over here, I put the mixer, the wine, and that for something later. I don't know what it's gonna be for. All right, we're gonna make Alyssa's coffee. She's gonna make coffee now. So we got our COVID vaccines too yesterday, so all our arms are sore. And we also got a flu shot, so we couldn't even lay on our sides, which kind of sucked.
I still laid on my COVID test.
If I kind of just lay right here, I'm good. But yeah, I need to make some scrambled eggs. Bye. You eat first. Stop talking like a baby. Georgie!
Hey! No. Stop.
So there's our breakfast. And then we gotta get ready. Now sit down and eat your food. Okay, let's start over. Let's see if this will work. I don't have any time to be putting my makeup on, so we're just gonna have to go very quickly.
Yep, and you get some wipes. We don't have any wipes, right, Mom?
Yep. Okay, so
they're like no bottled water, and I'm like, oh, is it not? Because when we ask for still water, it needs a bottle.
oh, okay. So, and then as soon as like you get to that layer, because you have a little pocket that's lifted, right? So,
Are you talking about that little thing?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about this. Like, how do you know what to find that?
Parking. I'm parking here now. Look. Look, I'm parking.
Oh, that was so cool.
Okay? I can
okay, you guys, excuse me, it's the end of the day. I had a long day. I did some work on nails. I just scarfed down my dinner, checked the mail, and I got my license, renewed it, and then I got shirts for merchandise with my peace sign and the nails like this with the turquoise. I thought it was pink, but it's like an orchid purple. And then I got like heather black. It's like not a matte black, but so I'm gonna be working on that. But I just wanted to end the vlog for Vlogmas Day. It's gonna be late today, but I want to do Vlogmas, so I'm gonna be doing that till December 25th. And all I want to say is thanks for watching and good night. Don't mind my face. Bye.